pupils at Dunedin's King's High School got a chance to view a Royal New Zealand Navy SH-2G Seasprite helicopter up close after it landed on their playing fields on Wednesday. The aircraft can be fitted for the firing of homing torpedoes, air-to-ship missiles, as well as a machine gun, and yesterday's visit was part of a promotional tour to encourage youngsters to consider a career in the New Zealand Defence Force. The helicopter and their crew eventually continued their way south, with plans to call in on 4 schools in Invercargill on Friday. Rudy Adrian, The South Today.